For more than a decade, GoPro wasn't just another gadget, it was the action camera. From snowy mountain peaks to surfboards crashing through waves, the GoPro Hero captured it all. Its rugged design, small size, and high-quality footage made it the ultimate adventure companion. But recently, things have shifted. While rivals like DJI and Insta360 kept raising the bar with bigger sensors and smarter features, GoPro seemed to slow down. The upgrades felt minor, and innovation appeared to stall. That's why the rumored GoPro Hero 14 Black, expected in September 2025, has people buzzing. Could this be the comeback moment? Could this be the camera that puts GoPro back on top? Let's dive into the biggest rumors and why they matter. The most talked about change is a move to a 1-inch sensor. And trust me, this isn't just about numbers. A bigger sensor means more light, more detail, richer colors, and sharper footage, especially in tough lighting like caves, twilight hikes, or indoor shoots. Instead of chasing crazy high resolutions no one uses, GoPro might finally be focusing on real image quality. And that's a very smart move. We may also see a brand new edge-to-edge rear screen, bigger, brighter, and easier to use. Perfect for vloggers who want to frame shots precisely. Add in redesigned buttons for instant mode switching and recording, and you've got a camera that feels much more creator-friendly. If you've ever had your GoPro shut down in the middle of recording, you know how frustrating it is. Rumors suggest the Hero 14 will come with a new GP3 processor and better cooling design, possibly with an integrated heatsink. That means longer recording sessions, smoother performance, and better stabilization. GoPro's Enduro battery was a good step forward, but the Hero 14 might push even further with a bigger cell working alongside the efficient new processor. More runtime between charges is a game-changer for adventurers and creators filming on the go. Of course, GoPro isn't alone. DJI already has large sensor action cams, and Insta360 keeps innovating with modular systems. The pressure is real, but if the Hero 14 delivers on these rumors, it could reclaim the spotlight. Here's the truth. If you need a camera right now, the Hero 11 and 13 are still solid choices with great deals available. But if you can wait, the Hero 14 might just be the biggest GoPro leap in years. At the end of the day, the best camera is the one you actually use. Don't wait for someday to start capturing your story, because the most unforgettable moments, they're happening now. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest deep dives into new tech. Until next time, keep shooting, keep exploring,